I just love tearing up this chat.
Oh, I got to email you that link. Shit.
Yeah, I was looking at my email. I don't see it.
My bad, my bad. I think the link's always the same, by the way. All right.
This guy's just fucking adding me like a motherfucker. Bro, now someone else is adding me.
Hey, friends.
Absolutely. Are we ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold on. Watch this. DR.
Yo, Fren, you hear me?
Jesus.
What up? What up, Fren?
Hey, friend.
Ye friends! Oh.
So, what's going on?
Yo, smash that fucking confetti.
Everything's dumping right now.
Yeah?
Yeah, we got.
I mean, the market looks like it's going to dump.
It's been dumping. It's been dumping. So I'm looking at 38, 1250. Everything's down like 15%.
Holy shit, dude. The NQ just fucking... I just played that in a funded account for $189 randomly.
Damn! Wow!
We got sold. All right, so what are we gonna do, dude? Let's see what we got.
Yo, well, tell us about the soul trade you took.
All right, guys. So this is the number one thing you need to know when trading crypto. You stop what you're doing. This is actually important.
Pay attention.
When you guys buy crypto, it is important when you're looking at the chart that the setup is there, that, you know, whatever you're looking at, you know, you make sure you get a good entry. But the main thing is when you buy, you sell higher than you bought.
Guys, this is fucking... Don't worry. That's on the house, okay? The next one we might have to charge you for, okay?
If you like that information so much, smash the like button, subscribe, tell grandma and her bingo buds to freaking come over here and get more info.
Listen. This is if you go short or long. You with leverage, you know?
Oh man. I'm gonna freak out. Like, let's see what Sol is doing. Dude, I'm gonna be honest with you. I would fucking dude. I think Sol's gonna go all the way down to 57 at least.
57.
157.
Oh, I'm gonna say, holy shit, bro. Bitcoin's going to zero next. You heard it here first, guys. Bitcoin going to zero,
bro. Yeah, man.
Wow, I'm watching the NQ. It's literally fucking bouncing, going right back to where it was before it dumped.
Oh, dude, I just caught the bottom of that.
I'm so glad I didn't.
I could have got lower, but I'm Audi 5000. Yo, why don't we rip another Sol short?
Short again?
I kind of like.
Hold on, let me turn the screen on. Let's share the screen. All right. Hold on.
Yo,
share screen.
We're up, crypto friends.
Hey, friends. All right. There we go. Let's take a little peek, see, huh? Let's take a little peek, see. So the last trade we took in our joint account was Sui, and we were up like $60. And unfortunately, Bitcoin made new all-time highs. And once it did that, everything just started going back the other way. So we got out for a fucking an L. But we took I basically set the stop loss to break even, so we didn't get caught in this dump and get liquidated. So we only lost. Let me show you. We only lost motherfucker $17 to make them holla. And then
I thought that was a good idea, dude.
Yeah, it's a great idea. It's smart. And then the last one we made, what's crazy about all of these trades, we're still like when we trade joint, like when we're trading with our joint account, we trade completely different than how we trade together because we don't trade the same. So we're still figuring out the happy medium between how we like to trade. And every single one of these trades, even the ones that finished red, we were green in all of them. So like we picked winners, we just didn't execute on them. So that's all part of the fun. But hey, how many fucking crypto gurus out there will actually show you their losses too? Do you think they win every fucking time? Wrong. But yeah, this looks kind of, what are we looking at? Sol, you want to look at again?
Yeah, I'm just tweeting this out, what we're doing right now to see if I like Sol short personally.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Yeah, I can see why you think 157, but you got to be careful with. I mean, if this double top confirms, bro.
Yo, I'll be honest with you. Well, you got
25 could be the spot. You know what I mean?
You kind of got a not double top. The second one kind of swept the highs, and we came back.
Yeah.
It's not. I'll be honest.
Identical, bro.
It's not on the hourly. The other, I'm looking at the hour. I'm looking at the 4 hour.
I'm looking at the daily.
Like on the 4 hour, guys, you have a top, but the structure's a little off. So you got a little sloppy toppy, and that's usually what I like the best. And I feel like if we can come down, if it breaks 155, then you kind of got a, like an M, an upside down W pattern, and you can
call that the upside down whack on. That's the whack Arnold's W, bro.
Bro, what's a whack off Arnold?
Whack Arnold's tearing his family apart. All right, hold on. I'm looking on. All right, let's look at the monthly. I'm gonna get the daily on TradingView for Sol. So like you got a pivot point on the daily here too, which is interesting. Let me get rid of this happy Fibonacci here. Yeah, I mean, you got some support at 173. And we're right by that. So it's like it might not be the best. I don't know. I mean, if you want to short, we could go short. I don't care. I'm just worried that it might fucking bounce there. It's like crypto's been going down ever since we hit those all-time highs. Crypto's been dropping for what? A week now, basically. You know?
I do.
You understand? And right now, I mean, if I, you know me and the fibs, there's a fib, or from the low to the high, we're literally right at the 618 right here. The next level is a 707, which is just a little bit higher than the pivot point there.
Yeah.
Let me go to the daily, but I don't know, man. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about.
I'm bringing up like ETH. ETH's already down a fuck ton.
Yeah, let me look at ETH. ETH, yo. All right. So from the hot, I got fibs over here, yo. There we go. So if I draw a happy Fibonacci from the low to the high, I mean, ETH could go lower.
Damn, XRP took a fucking dump.
They all are, bro. They're all down about the same. They're all down like 15%. You know what I mean?
Dude, somebody that held on to this is behind Wendy's trying to make their money back.
Bro, I've been holding that shit since under $1. I'm holding ETH. I'm holding XRP until it gets to a milli. By the year 2573. That's what I said. I read that somewhere on a blog. By the year 2573, XRP will be at 1 million. So I'm just gonna hodl.
I'm holding Cardano until it's used
by kids. Will be fucking loaded.
You're buying generational wealth right now.
Yeah, bro. So you know, an interesting spot for a bounce might be 4,072. Oh, that's the hourly? Fuck that. What are we doing here? What am I looking at? I wasn't looking at that on purpose, but we got some support right here. If you look at ETH, do you see where I see support on the daily? These two fucking wicks over here now, basically where we are in the chart. And then the next level of support is right here, which is the top of this right here, which it lines up. Does it? Yeah, like right. Yeah, which is the 618. I don't know. I feel like it could go lower.
I'm breaking out. Let me see. I'm on MEXC. Dude. I think we're gonna go lower, man. I think we're.
What I said. I think we could go lower too. I just don't know. Do you think ETH goes below 4,000, or does it stop at 4,000?
I think it goes back. I think.
Dude, this thing could drop to fucking 3,600. You think 4,000? Because you know how it is, the key psychological levels, right? You think?
Yeah, you know what looks like a good short, dude? Like hype looks like a good short, also.
Hype?
Yeah.
Is that that sounds like a shit coin? Is that the one that they were talking about in our crypto chat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. How much down, dude? I don't want to run into the same issue we ran into. Is it hype? This one, right? One that's $41.
Yeah.
I just don't want to run into the same shit we ran into with Pump, and we ended up being right.
I think so.
I can tell you one thing: if hype drops lower, it'll be a higher percentage. Whatever ETH drops, with ETH continuing to go down.
I think Soul Short is the way that I like so far.
Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at what everything fucking follows. That's probably a good idea, right?
Bitcoin looks like dog shit. Bro, you know what Bitcoin looks like right now?
It looks like it's had support.
Yo, picture Saturday night, you're out with your friends, and then you meet some chick. She's hot as fuck. All of a sudden, 4 a.m. comes and the lights go on in the bar. That's what fucking Bitcoin looks like. You're like, holy.
Yeah, how many drinks are we in? How many drinks are we already in?
And it don't look good. It still don't look good. I'm
It
out.
does kind of look double toppy, but I don't know.
Dude, there's
Because all it takes is some fucking news thing, and all of a sudden it bounces. Or we've been dropping so hard, you know, the market itself, like the NASDAQ and the SPY and all that shit. And if that bounces, then, you know, crypto's going to follow. They follow each other.
what the fuck is MUSD? This thing looks like a piece of shit.
Yeah, it probably is a piece of shit.
I'm trying not to play
Shit,
pieces.
like breakfast.
I don't like pieces of shit because the problem is they could spike it.
Yeah. Hype isn't a total piece of shit. Like, people are trading hype.
Yeah.
Some fucking MEXC exclusive or, you know.
Bro, Pump is one I would fucking short.
Pump. I was looking at that.
Pump has a head and shoulders that basically just confirmed.
I just don't want to get caught. I would just go with less leverage, I guess.
Yeah, I would only do like 3x on Pump. Like, listen, we're not getting into the best entries. I'd go less leverage, like $500.
Well, that's the other thing, bro. We don't need to fucking get in a trade just because we're streaming and talking about it.
I know.
It does look like fucking ass, though. But
looks like ass.
It's got to clear. It's got to clear this shit right here. You know, unless you want to make that support.
Bro,
like
Pump below 22, they might be calling Trump for a bailout.
Yeah, if it gets below 22, you know.
Let's see. I'm going to short by volume. I only like playing the stuff with volume because there's less of this.
I feel like there's more volume.
Sui looks fucking awful. Dude, a lot of this shit looks awful.
Yeah, it all follows fucking.
Fuck is like, yo, you know what one where we could probably short make money? Bring up Fartcoin. It's about to break support.
It's about to fucking break some fucking.
Bro, it's about to fucking.
It's about to cut some cheese.
Yeah, dude, look at that shit, bro. That's probably the best looking one.
If it has to break support, though.
Yeah, but look at it. It's going to. Bring it up.
Yeah. What's the next level down?
Honestly, like 58, dude. Like this thing looks like it's gonna dump. Dude, Fartcoin looks bad.
Let me pull it on. I want to pull it on Fart.
Fartcoin looks real bad, dude.
I love drawing Fibonacci's, bro. Help myself.
Yeah, I love having sex all night. Wait, we do have the same thing?
What is it? Is this Fartcoin? Yeah, it is Fartcoin. Right.
Yeah, zoom out. Look, you could just see it.
Yeah.
The last bounce is fucking. It looks like you bounced the ball. It bounced high, and now it came down, bounced a little bit. Now it's just gonna dump.
It kind of looks like a fucking, you know, like a double top.
Yeah.
This is I'm looking at the weekly. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, it looks like ass, bro.
Yeah, this one looks like ass.
72 is not even a bad spot either.
No, this one's my favorite one to short.
All right, let's fuck with it.
Smash it for like 500 and like 4x.
$500 to make them holla.
500, 4x. So it can move around a little bit.
How much margin are they gonna? 2,000. There we go. There's 500. Open short. It's not the best entry, man, but whatever. It could bounce here. Whatever. Fuck it.
Yo, it's gonna bounce like titties at the beach, baby. Let's go. I need to dump.
All right, we're in. 64 is a more conservative spot to fucking take profit.
Are we up? Are we up?
Hold on, bro.
Bro, we're
$5 to make them holla.
up.
Well, I'm closing it. Let's get out. Let's get out. Let's take the money.
Guys, remember, if you're happy, take profit. You're up. The trade's up already.
Yo, $6. $6.
Yo, where else could you make $6 in 10 seconds? Just remember who's making you that money.
Let's see here. 60. Yo, let's 067.
How much does that give us?
$438. And that's a conservative play.
That's good.
You want to take out, can you set this to take out like a partial? Oh, there we go. Let's take off half at 067.
Okay.
How do you do that? Here we go.
Bro, we're up is that $9 already?
$8.60, bro.
Yo, we just
You should have followed us in the fucking trade. Subscribe, bro. Look at that. Bangers, bro. Bangers.
Straight bangers.
All right, so there's one. Confirm. And then the other one.
Bro, if you bought with $50,000 worth, you'd be up 1,000 already.
You would be fucking rich.
Yo, you'd be up 1,000 already.
58.
Thank us later.
58. Let's add another one. Another one.
No. What do you call it? Dude, this is fucking that was a quick $10. What else we got?
All right. Confirm.
Yo, we need to set up a Twitter, bro.
I know.
We need to do a Twitter giveaway. We need to give away, bro. We are gonna give away everybody on the stream. We are gonna give away. Let me find something that we're gonna give away.
Hey, if you're watching,
yo,
smash the like button.
We're gonna give away PP coin. We're gonna give away 100 PP coins. yo, Jay, that's what we gotta set up. Mass, yo,
we're gonna give away some free cummies. Mass
giveaway, and it's gotta be like 10 Pepe coins.
Yo, free cummies, bro.
Dude, this thing's up we made over 2.5% on our money. Bro, hold on one second. Bank of America's calling me to figure out how to get that percentage so quick. Yo. Dude.
Are we there? Are we rich yet?
It looks like it's gonna.
Subscribe. Yeah, when are we leaving now? 3 minutes? Uh-oh.
No, like right now.
Uh-oh.
Right
Are
now.
we gonna look for a house?
I gotta go with Melissa to look at to pick Jillian up.
No.
Yes, Coachy McCoacherson. This is live. Thanks for asking and thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, what's up?
I almost misread that as Coochie.
I thought it was Coochie. It's not Coochie?
It's not Coochie McCoacherson.
I thought it was.
Oh, it's Coachy, not Coochie.
Yeah, I like Coochie McCoach.
The A is silent. All right, dude. We're in the short. We'll keep you guys posted. I gotta bounce. At least we got to hop on again. Smash the like button, subscribe. If you're gonna catch this, you catch the replay.
Yo, thanks for coming on.
Pound it like roast beef.
Peace.
We'll keep you guys posted. All right, have a good one. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.